Hello, nice to meet you. Just some words about the inspiration. So when we started with the project, we heard that we should make a city bus for Shanghai. So the first thing is we tried to find out what is the city of Shanghai. So we find out, okay, it's modern, it's high-tech, it's friendly, it's an international city, but it's also a green city. These were the inspirations to start thinking about the creation of a new styling language. So also, as you can see, it looks like an icon. It looks like an iPhone. And also, Shanghai city is like an iPhone. It's modern, it's cool. And also, as you can see, yeah, you have a frame body, you have a frame body on the side. So it's really like an iPhone. It's Shanghai.